Make a great choice today with
the 2023 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, LED headlights, tires rear all season, privacy glass. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.